It's been 5 days inside this cave.
I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Did it die? Yeah. Did it die? Did it die? I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Whatever you want, I'll be whatever you want. Just tell me you love me or not, whatever it costs. I know I'm talking a lot, there's something I gotta get off. Don't wanna be this no more, I don't wanna drink no more. Always gotta do the most, thinking that I'm insecure. Really should've listened more, but I don't, of course. I'm an asshole, I'm a good guy, I'm your best friend, I'm the worst type. Tell you everything that you heard right, just so I can fuck on the first night. Feel like I'm losing hope, running from coast to coast. I don't know where to go, this all I've ever known. I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. No. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Won't die. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? My aunt think I'm perfect, I know I'm not. My mama be worried, I told her stop. They know I did drugs and think that I'm off. Little do they know I never could stop. My manager hate when I'm pulling up late. Back on my bullshit, she think it's a phase. I got relations I gotta maintain. I'm two different people, my side and my main. Yeah, I'm sober, I'm an addict, I'm a low life, I got habits, but I refuse to be average. Really so tired of acting, don't know what I miss no more. Too bad you don't hit me more. I'm bad when I get too bored, careful what you wishing for. I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger.
Oh my gosh. So we're inside the canyon and we're doing our little ice walk. And here's an update. So we made it inside, all the way at the end, inside this canyon. We've been traveling for 5 days. Just kidding. But like, this is the coolest spot and we're gonna have some hot chocolate. And I didn't record the beginning because I didn't know that I was gonna make a video. Okay, bye. We're gonna have our first sip of hot chocolate.
I don't know why they keep calling. I'ma pull up in that motion. I fell in love in New Orleans. I don't know why they keep calling me. I don't know why they keep calling. I'ma pull up in that motion. I fell in love in New Orleans. I just fall in love off of drugs. 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 I don't know why they keep calling. I don't know why they keep calling. I'ma pull up in that motion. I fell in love in New Orleans. I don't know why they keep calling me. I don't know why they keep calling. I'ma pull up in that motion. I fell in love in New Orleans. I don't know why they still sleep, damn. I don't know why they still stalling, ayy. And your girlfriend, she a freak, damn. I don't know what I should call her, ayy. You know that we deep, damn. Please don't approach without caution, ayy. Every time you think of me, damn. Just know that I'm thinking about balling, yeah. Shit ain't just
We finished the canyon walk. And we're heading out. Look at all the snow. Goodbye. See you on the other side.
just want it bust down, down. Too shorty, they both let me touch down. Notice I just fall in love off of drugs. I just fall in love off of drugs. I just fall in love